Okay, so hi everyone. I have been getting a lot of requests for an editing video, from clients. This will not be an instructional video. It'll be more of a, my workflow, how I do what I do type video. Okay, so I recently had I went to and attended an event, a little shootout event with some other photographers, where there were some models, and we all took turns photographing the models. So I've already edited this gallery. So what I did was I created virtual copies of the edits. So that's an edit. This is an edit. And then that one is an edit. Actually, I think I want to get rid of this one. Yeah, let's get rid of that one. So we're just going to have the two. I'd like to keep this video under 5 minutes if possible. So that is an edit. There we go. So quickly, I'd like to show you. So I have my presets that I created. I try not to use like pre-bought presets that often, if possible. I don't like not knowing how to create looks, So recently I created this preset here, which kind of gives it a matte, M-A-T-T-E look, and also kind of a film look. You can tell that it's not quite as strong as some of the presets that you can buy for the film look. I don't like that really muddy look. So one thing that I do, and again, I created some of these, I do this to all my photos, is I add some warmth and magenta to them. There you go. You can see that added a nice little bit of warmth. So I'm actually going to take the highlights down all the way, I think. Yeah. And that kind of muds out the sky, but that's okay. Let's see here on the Lynn's face. We're going to zoom out just a little bit. We've got some blown out highlights. I guess we don't. Her hair is okay, I guess. On the side of her face, it's not showing that it's blown out. So that is okay. And I think that was pretty much it. That was all I did. Yeah. So that's the one we just did, and that's the edit. Very, very little difference. Okay. And then something that I do sometimes is I will actually sync. Lightroom, that's the program we're using right now, has this really neat feature where you can select all the photos or however many you want and sync the edit. It's kind of what's called batch editing. So I do that a lot, especially if it's the same light. You can tell the light in this photo is a little different than the light in this photo. But I'll do that, and then I will, make little tweaks and adjustments for, individual photos. So anyway, yeah, I didn't look at any of these other presets that I've created. Wow, that was kind of crazy. Some of these, I created a long time ago, and yeah, wow. Anyway, okay, so we're going to do that same one. Yeah, you can definitely see the more matte on this one. The matte is really, really shows in the shadows. Sorry about that. So let's go ahead and get our warmth and magenta added in here. Yeah, that didn't make too big of a change, and that's okay because, I have that set just how I want it. We're going to bring up some shadows in her skin in this area right here. We want to add some light there. So let's see. Sorry about the ding. Skin brighten. And bring up the shadows just a little bit more. We're going to bring those highlights down. There we go. Her skin does look a tad bit orange. So I think what I'm going to do is, let's see here. Oh, up here. I want to bring the saturation down just a tiny bit on her skin. Maybe bring the highlights down a bit more. Shadows up. I really want it to look like there's light on her, you know? So, you know, that's the before and the after. So let's compare that. So, oh yeah, it's quite a bit different than the first edit. That's interesting. It's funny how that happens. You know, I wasn't really going for making them look exactly the same. It's really neat. Oh no. Oh, okay. I got really concerned because this one right here is supposed to be the virtual. These are backwards. So I just got really concerned that I actually edited the copy, the edited copy. Oh, that's so funny. Okay. So that's the first edit, and that is the second edit. So I actually like that new edit a lot better. Okay, so if anybody has any questions, go ahead and, you know, leave a comment, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. I'm going to post this video in the Facebook group first, and then I'm probably going to post it on YouTube, and then I'm probably going to post it on the Facebook page. Okay, I don't know how long that was, so hopefully I kept it under 5 minutes or at least under 10. Okay, all right. I hope everybody has a super awesome day.